early because not sure if you can see it, but like 10 yards in front of me, there's a couple of deer. Deer, deer. Deer, 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 deer. Oh, there goes a deer, deer. There's a deer, deer. And there's the deer, deer. Deer, deer. Hey, deer, deer, deer. Showing the deer. I don't think it's capturing the deer. They're so freaking close. There's T2. Oh, now it's jumping away. Don't know if you can see the deer. It's right over there. Maybe you can see it moving, I don't know. But down there is where the fireworks gonna be. So we be streaming where the fire. Oh, there's the fireworks starting. Look at that. Just in time. Yeah, this is gonna be some Blair Witch style fireworks. My apologies, the dog is leashed onto me. And he's pulling every which way because of the deer. Because of the deer.